Build smart with Paulownia lightweight panels. In a world where speed, sustainability, and strength matter more than ever, there's one material helping redefine the future of construction. Introducing Paulownia lightweight panels, engineered for performance, designed for efficiency. Paulownia wood is nearly 40% lighter than traditional hardwoods, without compromising on strength or stability. Its low density makes it easy to handle, transport, and install, saving time and reducing labor costs on every build. In prefabricated construction, weight is everything. Lighter panels mean faster delivery, lower shipping costs, and safer on-site handling. Paulownia panels help builders move faster, build smarter, and stay on budget. Engineered Paulownia panels are dimensionally stable, moisture-resistant, and thermally efficient, ideal for both interior and exterior applications. Whether it's structural framing or fine finishes, Paulownia performs across the board. Industries that benefit from lightweight. Paulownia wooden panels. And why? 1. Yacht and marine. 2. Movie and theater set design. 3. Aircraft interiors. 4. Automotive industry. 5. Furniture manufacturing. 6. Interior architecture and design. 7. RVs and caravans. 8. Retail and commercial spaces. 9. Healthcare, mobile medical units. 10. Public and freight transportation lightweight. Cons reduce fuel costs, increase payload, and better acoustic comfort. Paulownia wood panels are the smart choice. Whether it's fuel savings, faster installation, easier transport, or design flexibility, industries across the board are turning to lightweight wooden panels like Paulownia for one simple reason: less weight, more value. Fast-growing and sustainably harvested, Paulownia is an eco-friendly choice for forward-thinking construction. Build lighter, build stronger, build smarter with Paulownia lightweight panels. Learn more about Paulownia hardwood lumber at bioeconomysolutions.com.